Hello there! It's such a beautiful day. And for today, we are going to make circles. Yes, this is a shape called circle and it looks something like this. But before making these circles, why don't we practice how to make it? Well, we just have to make our hand go round and round in one part. Continue making it in a similar way. And now let's start making these spirals so that it is easier for us to make the circles which we are going to make in our book. Continue making this design. That's amazing. Now let's see how to make a circle. At first, we are going to make a C and then another C but the other way round. At first, we are going to make a small C and then another way round and complete the entire circle. Well, this was a smaller one. Why don't we try a little bigger this time? Yes, in the same way. Let's start making a bigger one now and then the biggest. Why don't we complete the entire box by making the circles? Yes, in the same way. At first, we are going to make a smaller circle, then a bigger circle, then a little bigger than that, and finally the biggest circle. And now you know the drill, how to make the circle. At first, make a C and then another C but the other way round. Let's make it together. For this one, we are going to start with the biggest circle first, then a little smaller, then smaller than that, and then the smallest. Continue making the same thing inside the box as well. This looks great. Now it's time for us to start sketching it. We see different colors here. And do you know which one are they? Yes, warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors are the colors of the sun, which are red, orange and yellow. And what about the cool colors? Well, you've guessed it right. Cool colors are for the water and tree. So, which are the colors? Green, blue and purple are cool colors. Now, let's sketch this together. We can take a black sketch pen and start sketching this. And even if you do not have a black sketch pen, that's completely alright. You can color it directly. But make sure that you have the warm colors and cool colors. Let's continue making the circles together. Make sure that you draw only on top of the pencil marks and go very slow. Let's take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see. We are going to color the warm colors on the left side and the cool colors on the right side. So, let's start by coloring the warm color, which is yellow. Yes, it makes you feel warm when you see it, right? That's lovely. Let's start by coloring the outline first. And then color inside. Now, let's take a different color, which is orange color. We will do the outline by touching the outer line of the drawing. And after that, we will color only in one direction. Make sure you do not keep any white spaces. Now let's start with the next color, which is red color. We will do the outlines very slowly and then color in one direction. Can you see any white spaces in the middle? Finally, let's take maroon color for the other two circles. No, right? So press your color and color properly. It is completely alright if your color breaks. That is because you're putting a lot of pressure on it. Make sure you peel off your color and start coloring. Now it's time for us to take green color. Yes, we are going to take the lighter green. Follow the same steps, which is color the outline and then color in one direction. Here we are coloring in sleeping line. You can color however you're comfortable. Continue coloring in sleeping line. That's brilliant. Now let's take blue color and start coloring the next circle. Can you tell me if this is a light blue or a dark blue? You are absolutely right. It is light blue. Let's color in sleeping line together. And continue the same thing in this circle as well. Divide your circle into two parts so that it's easier for you to color. Now why don't we take a little darker blue and finish the next circle? Continue coloring in the same direction. And if you feel that you have white spaces, please fill them. Finally, we will take purple color and complete the last circle. Go very slow when you're coloring in a smaller shape. This is amazing.